Weatherman, don't tell me lies. I know it's all a big surprise. It's a hocus pocus magic that you do.
Good morning. Welcome to WEITV. I'm Meteorologist David Knollhoff. Thank you for joining us for another weekly weather edition right here on Frequency YouTube. Well, some parts of the United States are getting snow right now. Over on the east side of the United States, and some rain and some mixed precipitation, ice, ugliness. But here in Texas, we're enjoying the beautiful warm weather. It's been a warm one this week, and looks like warm weather to continue. So let's go ahead and look at the details. We've had generally high pressure over Texas, both at the surface levels as well as the upper levels. And so that means high pressure means dry weather. Now we have had some southerly flow over the area, and we've had some clouds, which has led to a little bit of drizzle here and there in the early morning hours. And really that trend is going to continue over the next few days. High temperatures this weekend, well, in the 70s, low temperatures in the 50s. Our first change comes Monday. It's not really that big of a change for all practical purposes. A cold front comes and slides into the hill country and brings us a little bit of precipitation again across the eastern portion of the hill country. We're talking about light amounts, not of any consequence, some fog in the morning, and I think mainly that's going to be Sunday, Monday time frame. Then Tuesday, it's pretty quiet except over the northern portion of Texas where they could get up to 1 inch of rainfall. That would be locations Dallas and eastward. And then Wednesday, the next front that's way to the west right now is going to push into the Texas Hill Country, and that's actually going to bring a little bit of cooler weather Wednesday time frame. And Thursday, high temperatures will only get into the 60s, and low temperatures will dive down into the 30-degree range again, and probably introduce those ugly allergies that we hate to deal with this time of the year with those northerly winds and cooler air. But that's really all we have to talk about this week. Not a lot going on in the weather scene. Hopefully you can get out and enjoy the quiet weather pattern. Now for Sid, as she ends this morning, have a great weekend and thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Dave, for that weather update. Now for this week, the environmental events. There's 3 events going on. January 31st in Austin, there will be a film screening called The Unforeseen. It's about development in the Barton Creek area and how the community deals with that issue. And January 31st also, there's at Bass Pro Shops a wildlife management presentation. And also in Boerne here, if you want to come to Boerne, there's a session 3 of that wildlife tax valuation that they were speaking about last week as well. So if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to call Western Environmental or follow the links below. Thank you.
Weatherman, don't tell me lies. I know it's all a big surprise. It's a hocus pocus magic that you do. You look at clouds and watch them swirl.